about the IAS, I'm sure that at least the senior students among you will be having doubts about the IAS. I'll just give you a quick idea about the whole civil service thing. See, when you are a civil servant, a single sign that you put can change the lives of lakhs and lakhs of people. Imagine being that somebody, you are signing a file, it's just a file in front of you, but that one sign you put can help like lakhs and lakhs of people. And nowadays, I'm sure that in private there are very attractive jobs which will give you a lot of opportunities, like going abroad or giving you a lot of money. But if your interest is in giving back to the society, if you want to it's not just about the respect. If you're a civil servant, people will respect you, but people will respect you and you get to help a lot of people, so it's like a win-win situation. So that is the biggest attraction about being a civil servant. There's a lot of respect in it, and it's a very powerful position. And most importantly, you will be able to help lakhs and lakhs of people. And understand that if you are a civil service aspirant, if any of you are a civil service aspirant, understand that it is called a civil servant, not the civil master or a civil overlord or civil emperor. It is a civil servant. You are there to serve the society. It's very clear. Your expectation, the role from you. You are servant of India. Like of your job is to be very humble and help the people. So some of you might be coming into this because you saw some Singham or some other movie, The King. There are lots of these glamorous movies. Or you want a beacon car and you want everybody to salute you. If those are the reason, trust me, this is not the job. Okay, you are a servant. That have to be that. On that, you have to be very clear, and you're here to serve the people. But it's a very nice job. And if you want to know about the perks, see, in a private job, you will get like, let's say 3-4 lakhs per annum per month salary. Monthly 3-4 lakh. Maybe yearly you might get 50-60 lakh if you're really well placed in private sector. But if you are an IS officer, you will have like a car, you will have a nice bungalow, you will have a share, like a cook, you will have people to take care of your things. So even if you're thinking about the perks, it's a good thing. You will get all the perks, but you'll also get to be a good person. Okay, all the specific doubts you have about the civil service, I will clear in the question answer session. And before I conclude my speech, I would like to quote a person I really like. He's a screenwriter of movies like Forrest Gump and The Curious Case of Benjamin Button. And one thing is, please, if you like watching movies, please watch movies. I love watching movies. If kids and parents, like if your children, try to get your children to watch really good movies. That will give them a very big worldview. So his name is Eric Roth, okay? And he once said, I've actually written it down. So he was interacting, and he says this in The Curious Case of Benjamin Button. He says, I hope you feel things that you've never felt before. I hope that you meet people with a different point of view. And I hope that you live a life that you're proud of living. Okay, and I hope that if you are not living that life, like if you're not living a life that you're proud of living, I hope that you find that inner strength in you to start now. Okay, so that is what I want to tell you. I hope that you guys are living a life that you're proud of living. But if there's something else that you want, if you're not proud of the life that you're living now, this is the moment for you to start living the life that you're proud of.